Welcome, dear students. Today's session, we are focusing on marginal costing. So before moving to the concept of say student, we should know that why we are learning this particular topic. So dear students, marginal costing is very much helpful for the managers to control the variable cost. How it's possible? For an example, if a company manufacturing 100 units, so what will be the total cost? From the 100 unit, they are increasing to 110 units. So what will be the total cost? With the help of marginal costing, the managers, they can able to identify that. So which are the variable cost leads to increase in the total cost, and based on that, the managers can able to control the variable cost. Not only that, in different other aspects also we can able to apply the concept of marginal costing. For example, the company can decide that whether they have to buy or manufacture a new product. Also, they can think about whether they have to accept or deny the orders. It will be really helpful to fixing the price of a product in a different conditions. And also it will suggest that whether we have to expand our business or not, and also whether we have to continue or shut down our business in different area. So we can apply marginal costing. So it is a very important method, especially in costing. So dear students, we will move on to the first slide. We will see the concept of marginal costing. Marginal costing is the ascertainment of marginal cost and the effect on profit of changes in volume or type of output by differentiating between fixed cost and variable cost. So dear students, it will be ascertain the marginal cost with the help of their differentiating between the fixed cost and the variable cost, and they are analyzing the total cost in a different level of activity or different volume. They are analyzing and they are ascertain the marginal cost. And so that is the reason. So it is also called it as a variable costing. And fixed cost is not taken into consideration while while calculating the marginal costing. All costs are classified into fixed and variable cost on the basis of variability. Variable costs alone are changed to the proportion to the production. That means in marginal costing, fixed costs remain constant, and based on the units and based on the production, we are changing the variable cost accordingly. And selling price is based on marginal cost plus contribution. Cost volume profit analysis is the one of the integral part of marginal costing. So dear students, so marginal costing is really important, and as a BBA student, you should be in a position to understand, and you have to apply the marginal costing. So marginal costing is defined by ICMA, the ascertainment of marginal cost and the effect on profit on change in volume or type of output by differentiating between fixed cost and the variable cost. So dear student, this is the small concept about marginal costing, and in the upcoming classes we will be solving a lot of problems, and we can able to understand that how marginal costing will be helping the managers to take the managerial decision. So thank you so much, dear students, for your patiently listening. We will be meeting you in the upcoming sessions.